Everyone does it. We've all transferred data in the way that seemed easiest and quickest at the time, using email, FTP, unencrypted cloud sharing, and USB memory sticks. But it's not secure. Thing is, not only does insecure file transfer open up the company to the risk of data leakage, it may also soon be illegal. That's because there's a new regulation coming down the road. By the start of 2016, the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, will mandate that data inside the European Union must be transferred securely. According to an independent survey of IT professionals, GDPR will have a big impact. 68% said that it will affect their businesses. What's more, 69% said their business will need to invest in new technologies or services to become compliant with the new regulation. Technologies such as file sharing, encryption, analytics, and a host of others. So, keeping up to date with these new regulations is a financial burden, as 68% of IT professionals agree. But what if there were a single solution that allows you to bring together and manage all your file sharing needs, adding security, reducing risk, and ensuring compliance with GDPR? At this point, you'll probably not be surprised to hear me say that yes, there is such a solution. This managed file transfer solution will help you become compliant with GDPR in the following ways. It helps protect personally identifiable information. It helps you manage that information. And it helps you reduce risk and manage system exposure. We're talking about Ipswitch MOVEit, and since the majority of IT professionals already use managed file transfer, what are you waiting for? Download your free 30-day software evaluation here.